This is Skadis pegboard, and it is made up of fiber board and painted white. This is the smallest size, 14 and quarter inches by 22 inches. I bought this to fit this area in my son's room. You get this in various other sizes as well. This is a storage solution used anywhere in the household, like study or kitchen or bathroom, to store small items. You can use various Skadis accessories. I'll show you all those now. And using that accessories, you can create the best storage to suit your needs. And all these accessories, if you see, they're all very easy to attach and remove and move it around. So this is the Skadis letter holder. You can see how easy it is to fit. That's all. And this is used for storing letters, or you can store a book like this. You can even store a tablet in this. This is Skadis elastic cord made of synthetic rubber. It's almost 11 inches long. It is stretchable like this. You can fit it anywhere. And it is ideal for storing. That is, you can fix your photographs or some notepad or sunglasses. The way you want, you can keep it. And you can hang your things as per your needs. Hanging sunglasses, you can hang photographs. I'm just hanging a notepad because I've got it mainly for stationery purpose. So I'll be using it for storing stationery items only. This is the white color Skadis shelf, 11 inches. This can be used actually for keeping wallets and phone and coins. But my son is using it for keeping his small things like his duster and small things. And you can see the height is 1.25 inches. So it keeps things in place, doesn't let things fall down. So it is made of steel and it is powder coated. This white color Skadis clip is also another accessory which comes in a pack of 2, and it is ideal for clipping small things, small notes or photos or anything which will get lost. So you can fix a card or a photograph, some bill or something which will get lost otherwise. You can fix it like this. But it is, again, this is also metal, powder coated. This white color container is a Skadis container. This is also Skadis accessory used for, as you see, it's, my son has kept a lot of his marker pens and scissors and knife. It's very easy to fix and place it anywhere on the pegboard. You can keep it anywhere. It's easy to remove and place it wherever you want. And if you're going to use it in the bathroom, you can use it for brush or toothpaste. And in the kitchen, you can use it for spoons. This is again metal and powder coated. So you see, all these accessories have given me a way to organize things within a small board. You get some more accessories. So if you have a larger board with more accessories, so using those accessories, you can organize a lot of things within a small place. It's an ideal storage organizing solution. It can be a multi-purpose storage solution. Use your own imagination to make or use it as you want.